What's going on, YouTube? So it's Martin
and Kristina
from Thrift Store Gold back at you with another video. So in today's video, it's actually just gonna be a raw video again because we kind of like doing these ones. We got a couple goals set for next month. We just want to share with you guys what they are. So if you are new to this channel, we are a reselling couple. We have a dog. We're actually on our way to the post office right now. We both got backpacks on full of packages. We were mainly into clothing and stuff, but right now we set how many goals?
8.
8 goals for ourselves. Just these are kind of like the bigger ones. We set daily goals every single day, but 8 goals that we definitely want to crush by next month. So we're just gonna share them with you right now.
Yes. Alright, so our first goal is to have $3,500 in our 60-day total. So on eBay right now,
Just keep on.
on eBay right now we're at $3,100, so we're almost there. So hopefully we can reach that.
Yeah, so we're gonna be crushing it.
Number 2 on our list is to have 600 listings up, so that's another goal of mine. We're at 540 right now. We've had like 10 sales, so I haven't gotten any up. Number 3 on our list.
Finn. Alright, he's going to the bathroom. What is it?
Number 3 on our list is to have 1,700 subscribers.
So that's pretty much like both of our goal is to just get up to 1,700. Pretty much it's Kristina's favorite number,
yes.
So we really want to hit that. That'll be a good milestone to hit.
4th on our list is to have $200 from YouTube ad revenue.
So that one is another goal of mine. Just pretty much with our videos, just be consistent with posting every single day and just get up to the 200 mark.
Alright, let's see.
Yeah, it's across the street.
Yep. Number 5 on our list is to have more Poshmark sales. So this is a goal of mine. Obviously, we've had 3 so far. So hopefully we can get up to a few more.
Yeah.
Number 6 on our list is to hit the gym once a day.
Yeah, we really need to just get back into that. We were doing that really good in the beginning. We were doing that really good in the beginning of the year, but we've been slacking the last like month and a half. So yeah, sorry about the lighting, but we've been slacking on that, so we're definitely gonna get more into that.
Yes. Number 7 on our list is to drink water more times a day.
More times a day, yeah. So pretty much we're gonna try to shoot for like a gallon each a day. I know that's a lot, maybe her like half a gallon. I'm definitely gonna try to get a gallon a day in.
You can do it.
Yeah, for sure. You can do it too.
No,
you're just really tiny, so.
Number 8 and finally on our list is that we do not want to send out a package after the day that we printed the shipping label because of our late shipment dings.
Yeah.
So we really want to make sure they go out on time, which is why we're going right now.
We're doing it right now. So yeah, we want to get better at shipping. Let's go through the list really quick.
Oh,
put it away. Sorry guys.
All right. So number 1 again was.
I'm gonna go backwards.
Okay, number 8 was to not send out a package the day after we printed the label. Number 7 was to drink more water a day. Number 6 was to go to the gym once a day. Number 5 is more Poshmark sales. Number 4 is $200 from YouTube ad revenue. Number 3 is $1,700 or 1,700 subscribers on YouTube. Number 2 was 600 listings, and number 1 was finally $3,500 in our 60-day total on eBay.
So that's our, what's next month?
July.
So that's our July goals. We just wanted to share them with all of you guys.
Yeah.
We're definitely gonna be planning to crush them, so it'll be nice to look back on this video and be like, dang, we set those goals and we
did it.
Crushed them. So thank you guys for watching. We really appreciate you. Like we said, we're just on a walk with our dog. That's Finn, if you don't know. We got a bunch of videos of him, so you should definitely check them out.
Yes.
But yeah, this video is effectively over as of now. So hope you guys enjoy your day or night whenever you're watching. Make sure to smash that like button. Leave a comment down below if you got any questions, and let us know if you like these raw clips, because we really like them. So
yeah, we do.
So have a good day or night whenever you're watching. Peace, guys.